Hi friends, good evening. Today we will read about cell and this is the biology second video. So let's start the class. Study of cell is cytology. Cell, what is cell? Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Please remember structural and functional. First coined by Robert Hooke in 1665. Please remember the name. Cell coined by Robert Hooke. Biggest cell is egg of ostrich. Smallest cell Mycoplasma gallisepticum. Longest cell neuron of human body. This is biggest and this is longest. Cell theory by Skeldon and Schwann in 1838 to 39. C. Cell theory by Skeldon and Schwann. Features. What are the features of cell? Every organism starts its life from a single cell. All organisms are composed of cell. Body of every organism is made up of cell. Okay. Now, cell is two types of cell: prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. See, what is the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell? Cell size of prokaryotic cell small. In eukaryotic it is large. Nucleus absent in prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic means single cell organisms. So nucleus is absent. In eukaryotic present. Chromosomes single. In eukaryotic more than one. Cell organelles are absent. Here present. Cell division by fission and budding. In eukaryotic, mitosis and meiosis. Now, membrane bound organelles are absent in prokaryotic. In prokaryotic cell like mitochondria, lysosome, Golgi body absent in single cell organism. Example, virus and bacteria. Smallest prokaryotic organism, Mycoplasma. Biggest single cell organism, Acetabularia. Okay, this is the difference between eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell. Now, see this. This is plant cell and animal cell. Observe this carefully. See, this is the green outline. This green outline is called cell wall. This is called cell wall. Cell wall is present in plant cell but absent in animal cell. And this outer line, see, this inner line is what? This inner line is cell membrane. Cell membrane present in both plant cell and animal cell. In animal cell, what is absent? Cell wall is absent. Okay. Now, cytoplasm. See, this space is provided. No, this space is called cytoplasm. So here also present. Here also present cytoplasm. Now, nucleus. See, this is the nucleus. Here also present. Here also present. In plant cell, what happening? This is towards the outer boundary. But in animal, this is center. This is located in center. Okay. Now, see, this is nucleus. This you see na? This is nucleus, and this black line, this point is called nucleolus, and the outer surface is nuclear membrane. The outer line is what? Nuclear membrane. And these are the thread-like structure are showing. This is endoplasmic reticulum. See, these are what? Endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. This is nucleolus. This outer line is nuclear membrane. This is what? See, vacuole. Vacuole is large in plant cell, small in animal cell. Okay, these are what? These are mitochondria. These are what? Mitochondria. In plant cell also present, in animal cell also present. These are what? Mitochondria. Okay, mitochondria. mitochondria. Now Golgi body. This yellow thread like structure is what? Golgi body. Here also present, here also present. Okay. See, you can see these dots. These dots are what? Ribosome. These are what? Ribosome. Here also present, here also ribosome present. Okay. Now, chloroplast is present only in plant cell. Okay. In animal cell, chloroplast is absent. Now, see, centrioles present in animal cell, absent in plant cell. Okay. This is what? Lysosome. This is what? Lysosome. Lysosome is present in animal cell, absent in plant cell. Here this green color is peroxisome. Okay. Now we have some knowledge about plant cell, animal cell, mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, chloroplast, nucleus. Okay. Now we will go to read cell wall. See, this is the cell wall. Cell wall only present in plants, and cell wall is a non-living and freely permeable. What do you mean by permeable? Permeable means it can allow substance to inside and outside. Made up of cellulose or chitin. Okay, the cell wall is made up of cellulose or chitin. Cell wall of bacteria made up of peptidoglycan. Remember, cell wall of bacteria is made up of peptidoglycan. Cell wall is absent in animal cell. It is made up of cellulose or chitin. Now cell membrane. Cell membrane present in both plant cell and animal cell. This is cell membrane. Okay. Now, cell membrane also called plasma membrane. This is the outer covering of animal cell. In plant inside the cell wall. In plant, this is cell wall. Inside that, what present? Cell membrane is present. Made up of phospholipid. Cell membrane is made up of phospholipid and it is living. Cell wall is non-living, but cell membrane is living. This is made up of chitin and cell membrane made up of phospholipid. What is the work of cell membrane? It regulates movement of molecules inside and outside the cell. Okay. Now we will read about protoplasm. What is protoplasm? See, this green color is what? Cell wall. And this space is what? Cytoplasm. And this is what? Nucleus. And this outer line is nuclear membrane. This much you know. Whole fluid present inside the plasma. Whole fluid present inside the plasma is called protoplasm. Okay. It is a living part of cell, made up of chemical substances like water, ions, salt, organic molecules. So protoplasm consists cytoplasm and neoplasm. Cytoplasm, this space is cytoplasm, and this is what? Neoplasm. Cytoplasm and neoplasm. Cytoplasm fluid outside nuclear membrane. See, this line is nuclear membrane, outside which fluid is present. This is what? Cytoplasm. And inside it, neoplasm. 80% protoplasm is water content. Now, mitochondria. See, this is the mitochondria, and you can see inside it some what? Finger-like structures are there, no? Remember this, I will tell you what is that. Mitochondria coined by who? Altman in 1886. Founded in cytoplasm. In cytoplasm, this is space, no? In space, mitochondria is present. What is the structure of it? Cylindrical, rod-shaped, spherical in structure. Okay? These folds inside it, these folds are called what? Cristae. Fluid inside mitochondria. In mitochondria, which fluid is present, that is called matrix. Now, powerhouse of the cell is mitochondria. Respiratory site of cellular respiration, mitochondria. Synthesize energy compound ATP, mitochondria. Please remember, powerhouse of the cell is what? Mitochondria. Okay, so today we'll stop here. I think you understood. Please like and subscribe my video and share. Thank you for watching.